Hello my lovelies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new to my channel, hi, I'm Divya. I create content related to beauty, skincare, lifestyle, fashion, travel, fitness, food and God knows what not. This is like my personal digital diary where I keep posting my daily life, my routines, my travel diaries, and a lot more. So if you're new here and you haven't subscribed yet, go and subscribe right away. So आपको आज का टाइटल देख के ही पता चल गया होगा हम किस बारे में बात करने वाले हैं. I am going to break down 7 sprays for you. If you like the dewy finish look, if you like the matte finish, if you like the glossy finish, something like what I have now, I'm going to tell you each and every setting spray that you can use for your personal self or for your clientele. Now I am a professional luxury makeup artist, so मेरे पास जो भी products है, it's tried tested on real people as well as me because I do my makeup very frequently. And अगर मैं makeup करती हूँ, I barely need touch-ups because I use all these professional sprays जिसके आप अगर अच्छे से स्किन केयर करोगे, आप अच्छे से मेकअप को लेयर करोगे, आपको ज़रूरत ही नहीं पड़ेगी टचअप करने की unless you probably the weather conditions are extreme or something like that. So without any further delay, वीडियो चालू करते हैं. मैंने इतनी सारी सेटिंग स्प्रेस ट्राई किए हैं but not every setting spray does the same thing and every setting spray is meant for a different skin type and a completely different module in itself. Okay, so firstly, this video is going to involve setting sprays as well as fixing sprays. Now, if you are a newbie or you are somebody who doesn't know the difference between setting and fixing sprays, let me help you. So, आपकी जो setting spray होती है, that is just to set your makeup. It basically makes your makeup look better, more natural. वो जो powdery effect होता है, वो सब वो melt कर लेता है. Like आपकी skin एक जैसी लगेगी. अभी मैंने use किया setting spray, not a fixing spray. So you see, आपको कुछ ऐसे patchiness नहीं दिखेगा because all the powders and everything has kind of पूरा melt हो गया है, एक साथ लग रहा है, एक जैसा लग रहा है. So that is what a setting spray does. एक सेटिंग स्प्रे ना आपके फेस पे हमेशा हाइड्रेशन दिखाएगी, ग्लो देगी एंड आपके मेकअप को एक सेटिंग स्प्रे फ्लॉलेस और सीमलेस फिनिश देगी. जैसे अभी मेरा फेस लग रहा है, यू कैन सी क्लियरली आपको एक ड्यूई सा इफेक्ट दिख रहा है, थोड़ा ग्लॉसीनेस लग रहा है एंड माइंड यू आई हैव अप्लाइड अ वेरी माइन्यूट अमाउंट ऑफ हाइलाइटर. ऑल ऑफ दिस इज समथिंग दैट द स्प्रे हैज डन. And I will also reveal which spray I've used here. Okay, अभी आप first name पे ध्यान दो. Setting spray will set your makeup. A fixing spray will fix your makeup. Basically increasing the longevity. वो आपके makeup को long last करेगा. And उसका role क्या होता है? It creates a protective film on your makeup layer. आप जो भी makeup use करोगे उसके ऊपर आप जब एक fixing spray करते हो तो आपको एक natural सा लगेगा कि आपके makeup या आपके face के ऊपर एक layer बन गया है. That is something a fixing spray does. And let me also tell you, a fixing spray is best, like literally the best when you need it for events. If you're a bride, you need it for weddings or people who have extremely oily skin. I would only suggest you to use fixing sprays when your makeup is done because अगर आपकी skin naturally उतनी oily है, आप अगर dewy setting spray and dewy makeup करने जाओगे तो your skin will just ooze more oil and will look like there is something going on here. And also अगर आप कहीं पे ऐसे रहते हो जहाँ पे बहुत humidity है, जैसे मुंबई is extremely humid, so you should prefer something like a fixing spray. तो no matter what the weather is, आपका मेकअप कहीं नहीं जाएगा. आप चालू करते हैं कौन से ब्रांड्स आप ले सकते हो फॉर सेटिंग एंड फिक्सिंग स्प्रेस. आप इसको देख के ही समझ गए होंगे कौन सी स्प्रे है. दिस इज डालबाज फर्स्ट स्प्रे सीरम. अभी इसमें आप देखोगे ना लेयर्स है. I've used it a little, इसके लिए वो ऐसा लग रहा है, बट आप इसमें देखो there is one oil layer and then there's the spray layer. Now अभी इसका रोल क्या होता है? First thing, whenever you're using this, you have to make sure that you shake it very well because अगर आप दोनों layer को merge करके नहीं करोगे ना, unless the entire bottle is of the same color, you are either going to get oil on your face or you're not going to get the proper thing that you need to set your makeup. अब इसका रोल क्या है? This will hydrate your face, your skin. This spray will always make your skin and makeup look very fresh. ऐसा लगेगा आप अभी करके आए हो. This is a beautiful setting spray but not a fixing spray. हो सकता है आपका makeup transfer हो for people with certain different skin types. But for using it with your skincare, in between your makeup steps, there is nothing like this spray. It just melts your makeup very beautifully. So this definitely has to be one of the best setting sprays that you should own. डालबा का मैंने आपको एक तो बता दिया, तो दूसरा भी बता ही देती हूँ. This is the yellow one, this is the pink one. Now the yellow one is the first spray serum and the pink one is the vital spray serum. अभी again ये भी डालबा का setting spray है, not a fixing spray. And the one that I've used on my face right now, all this glow that you see is because of this spray. Instantly hydrate कर देता है ये. Just look at the glow. जहाँ पे भी लाइट पड़ी है, my skin is like literally just shining, all because of this spray. This can be used for all skin types, but if you have acne prone, sensitive skin, like extremely sensitive skin, try this one. This one is made for sensitive skin, acne prone and irritated skin types. This will soothe, it will hydrate and it will calm any irritated skin. This is a fab product. Now coming to the third brand, which is again super viral. आपको हर makeup artist के kit में दिखेगा. Probably people who are obsessed with makeup or who do makeup on daily basis, आपको उनकी भी kit में ये दिखेगा. This is Max Fix Plus Prep and Prime Spray. Is this a fixing spray? No. Is this setting spray? Yes. This is probably my 4th or 5th bottle. Just look at the amount of spray I've used. This will give you a very skin-like finish. आपको ऐसे कुछ hydration चाहिए ना skin में, so go in for this one. This is best for dry to normal skin types. Oily skin people, I wouldn't suggest you to use this. अब MAC का spray क्या कर सकता है? It'll melt all the powders together. It'll remove any cakiness. अगर आपके makeup में कुछ हो गए हो, कुछ flaws हो गए हो, कुछ concealer छूट गया हो या कुछ भी हो ना, it'll try to melt all that cakiness together. And this will give you a very skin-like natural finish. And I forgot to mention one thing. If you want a dewy skin texture, there is nothing like this spray. अगर आपको matte नहीं पसंद है, you can definitely go in for one of these. This if you want a little more glow, something like this. And this if you want a little glow. ये भी देगा but थोड़ा कम देगा. ये काफ़ी ज़्यादा देगा. Something like what you can see on my skin right now. So for people who love dewy makeup, just go and grab this. If you are attending any events, you want a very long wear kind of setting spray, but you don't want वो thick सा layer जो लगता है fixing spray में, I would highly recommend you to go and buy Urban Decay's All Nighter. This is a fab product. I only use this personally. There is nothing like this. I know ये थोड़ा expensive side पे आता है because it's a luxury brand, but if you want to invest in that one good setting spray, come a fixing spray, this is fab. Just go for it. This definitely increases wear time compared to your Dalba and MAC Fix Plus. ये मैंने specifically 2XL वाला size लिया है from Sephora UAE. मुझे यहाँ पे इतना बड़ा वाला नहीं दिख रहा था. But again, you can order this from Nykaa, Tira, हर जगह मिल रहा है, even on Sephora. Now coming to another brand for people who are looking for the affordable category fixing spray. This one is for you. I'm talking about the Forever 52 Makeup Fixer. This has a very nice formula. इसमें आपको विटामिन ई भी मिल रहा है and आपको एलोवेरा भी मिल रहा है. So for people who are not sensitive to aloe vera and all, you can purchase this. ये इतना thick है. Just look at the consistency. It's literally so thick. ये आपका मेकअप कहीं जाने ही नहीं देगा. मतलब unless you actually sit to take it off with your micellar water or your cleansing oil or something like that, it won't budge at all. I've personally tried this, and especially अगर आपको कुछ affordable category में चाहिए compared to the other luxury brands, this has to be one of your best picks. This is best suitable for people who stay in humid weather or you're attending events या आपका कुछ ऐसा है where you need like a lot of longevity in your makeup. Go in for this one. It's superb. Now I'm going to come to one of the most controversial fixing sprays out there. This is a product where either people will love it or people will hate it. And I will give you a very honest opinion on this. I'm talking about the L'Oreal Infallible 3-second setting mist. This is a very cool product, but if you have oily skin, this is the best for you. I'll spray and show it to you to see. It's super thick and it has a fragrance as well, which you will probably love. I love this product, and इसका वो जो 3-second setting mist है, it lives up to the hype. But if you have dry skin, I would personally suggest you to do this one additional step. अगर आपको ये एकदम ही like use करना है, I would suggest go in for something like Dalba or MAC Fix Plus or some hydrating setting spray first, कि जैसे आपके स्किन पे अच्छा खासा लेयर हो जाएगा ऑफ हाइड्रेशन, एंड देन यू हैव टू गो फॉर दिस फिक्सिंग स्प्रे. सो आपकी स्किन का वो जो भी ड्राई पैचेस नहीं होंगे, कुछ भी ऐसे नहीं होगा. दिस विल परफॉर्म वंडर्स ऑन यू इफ यू फॉलो दिस मेथड. एंड फॉर अदर स्किन टाइप्स, फॉर कॉम्बिनेशन स्किन, फॉर ऑयली स्किन, There's nothing like this. Last but not the least is the Kryolan Fixing Spray. अब आप देख के ही समझ गए होंगे, this is specifically for professional MUAs and for people who want, like, you know, longevity, but this is very professional. Look at the texture. ये भी काफ़ी thick है. I would personally suggest you to only go in for this if you're a professional makeup artist or you're somebody who is into shoots. You are on the stage, you need your makeup to just like stay in place and not move at all. Or if you want your makeup specifically set for very long hours, only then go in for this, because this is very strong. I only use this for my clients and brides because this is a very professional spray. I hope you like this video. Let me know if you want me to film a video wherein you want to see my best concealers, my best loose powders, blushes, skincare, or something like that, and I will make a video on the same. I think I've given you a whole lot of options to pick from. Let me know which one would you choose if you had to buy a setting or a fixing spray right away. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked it, and I will see you super soon in the next one.